that flabbermouth noise-making frog not only makes noise when he's awake, he makes noise when he's asleep.
Golly, Charlie, with all the noise you're making, how's a fella to sleep?
Oh, Freddie, come here.
Yeah, Charlie?
All I said was...
What?
Quiet!
Boy, for somebody who wants quiet, you sure make a loud racket.
I need quiet, you hear? Quiet!
Honestly, Charlie Owl, I do declare you make more noise than World War II and my bridge club put together. Is something bothering you?
Yes. Sounds! What was that?
Sounds like my magnolia puff cake just puffed itself all over my oven.
La 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 la. It's the News and Review, coming right at you. Where three delightful animals have fun with what they do. They learn with their friend Duck and his helper Emmy Joe.
With Freddie!
Charlie!
We have fun learning what we don't know.
Delicate and feminine is Henrietta Hippo. Very wise and very smart is Charlie the Owl. Woo! Not so smart with lots of heart is Freddie the Frog. It's quite an unusual thing. The animals talk and sing with Doug and Emmy Joe. Every day's a different show. It's the News and Review, coming right at you. It's the News and Review, coming right at you.
Now this is plumb silly the way y'all are carrying on about sounds. I said this is plumb silly the way y'all are carrying on about sounds.
Is there anything I can do, Henrietta?
Yeah, be quiet.
Fred, if I tell you what you can do, get rid of all the sounds in the air while I try to comfort Charlie.
Hey, I have a great idea. I'll be right back.
Charlie, sugar, y'all just hush your little old beak. Now, y'all say it's sounds that are bothering you. Well, now, that sounds silly to me, so let me tell you something about it. Me.
Oh, no, not that.
We hear things every day. Each sound has something to say. Whether it's someone talking or footsteps walking. Sounds. It's sounds. Talk about sounds. Factories humming, or a drummer drumming, an aeroplane roaring, or someone snoring. Sound! Oh, sound! Talking about sound! Sounds! Well, now what do y'all have to say about sounds? After my melodious rendition on the subject.
Oh,
Sounds like I'm not wanted around here.
it sounds like you're getting the idea. Whew.
This'll do it, Charlie. You just listen. After I'm through, then you'll see there won't be any sounds in the air at all.
Oh, you nincompoop bean brain. Just why are you vacuuming the air?
Because it's polluted.
What's smog have to do with it? You can't hear smog.
Natch, even I know that, Charlie. But smog isn't the only thing polluting the air. It's sound, too.
Huh?
Sure. You've heard about sound pollution. Listen, the air is full of sounds. Loud sounds, soft sounds, yicky sounds.
So why are you vacuuming the air?
To vacuum up all those air-polluting sounds. Why, I just bet this vacuum is full of all the sounds I vacuumed up. Oh, gee, what if it's too full of them? Wow, I better get rid of them in case all those loud old sounds leak out.
Oh, my poor head.
Charlie, I'll tell you what. I'm going to make this a sound-free area.
Oh, great. Oh, boy, here we go again. Quiet! Hold it! Quiet! Cease! Stop!
Hey, I was just trying to help.
I know, Freddy, but it's just that you've got the noisiest way of showing it. I mean, you're just one big walking noise.
But-
Listen, please. There were plenty of noises here even before you tried to make it noise-free.
I don't get it.
It's this way.
There are plenty of noises in this world without you adding to it. I have one thing to say, Freddy, my boy, please, please don't do it. I mean, think of all the sounds there are without yours. Babies crying, airplanes flying, cars driving, people buying, hammers nailing, kids wailing, fire engines clanging, cap guns banging, people always arguing, chimes that chimes and bells that ring, motorcycles sputtering, people always muttering, cash registers dinging, ping pongs, pinging trains chugging down the tracks. Goodness, there's no turning back. Stop! 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 Stop clanging, mashing, banging, clashing, bashing, mashing, smashing, smashing. Noise, 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 noise. Sound, 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 There are plenty of noises in this world without you adding to it. I have one thing to say, Freddy, my boy, please, please, don't do it.
Yeah, now I know what you mean, Charlie. From this moment on, you won't even know I'm around.
No!
Oh, sorry, Charlie. From the moment after that last moment, you won't even know I'm around.
Oh, boy, if this is what it's like when he's trying to be quiet, I'd hate to hear it when he's not trying to be quiet. There's only one place I know where I can go and find peace and quiet. Doug's house. Oh, my head is pounding so loud I can... Woo-hoo! That's me pounding. Woo-hoo! Anyway, now to enjoy some real peace and quiet.
Charlie! Hi! Hey, come on! It's Charlie!
Hey, Charlie! How do you like my new stereo?
Great! What's wrong with Charlie?
What? Just a minute.
What's wrong with Charlie?
You don't have to yell.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Freddy, what's wrong with Charlie?
What?
What's wrong with Charlie?
Gosh, Emmy, you don't have to shout. But I've got the answer to his problem right there.
Feather-covered corks?
Earplugs.
Well, why the feathers, huh?
So Charlie can wear these earplugs and nobody will know he's wearing them.
That sounds pretty silly, Freddy.
Okay, but if I know Charlie, and I do, he's just going through one of his things. Well, I wouldn't be surprised if he hasn't already solved his problem. I'll see you later.
What have you come up with now?
Earplugs so you won't hear sounds.
What?
Earplugs so you won't hear sounds.
Sorry, Freddy, I couldn't hear you. I was wearing earmuffs to block out the sounds. Now, what are these things?
Earplugs so you won't hear sounds.
Who needs them? Not me. Not with my latest invention ready to go.
Wow, what is it?
It's what it looks like.
What's that?
A de-soundifier. Or, for the unscientific mind, an instrument for removing sounds from the air.
Fantastic! Where did you ever come up with such a brainy idea?
I hate to admit it, but when you tried to vacuum sound from the air, that gave me this fantastic idea.
Oh, how does your desoundifier work?
Very simple. I merely vacuum the sounds out of the air.
I can't hear you.
The unwanted sounds are stored inside the desoundifier's handy disposal bags.
Then what happens?
Well, after the bag is full of unwanted sounds, I merely throw it away. Now, here's how it works. You make lots of noise, and I'll desoundify the room and store those noises up in a disposable sound bag.
Okay, here goes. This is fun, Charlie. Ding, ding, dong, 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 dong.
Well,
Well, what?
my invention is a success. Listen, no sounds.
What happened to all the noise we heard? Where'd all those sounds go?
Right inside here, sealed in a sound disposal bag.
I don't hear any sounds in there.
That's because the bags are soundproof.
Aw, come on. You're kidding me, Charlie.
Oh, yeah? Well, just you listen. Now, the sounds that came in here, all right? So if I put the machine in reverse, they'll come out here.
Then if the sounds came in forward, they go out backwards, right? This I gotta hear.
Oh, my head, my ears, those sounds. Now you did it, Freddy. You let all those sounds back loose in the room. Oh, no, now I'm hearing a ringing in my ears. I must be cracking up.
No, you're not, Charlie. That ringing's coming from your telephone.
That's just what I don't need, ringing in my ears. Hello?
Charlie, Emmy and I just figured out just what you need for your sound allergy.
It's not an allergy, and I know what I need.
You need peace and quiet.
I need peace and quiet.
You just said what we said.
They just said what I said. Don't they understand? Doesn't anybody understand? I'll tell the world. I need peace and quiet. I need peace and quiet in my little house. It must be quiet as a tiny church mouse. I stir at the slightest bit of sound. I can hear things for miles around.
To put it another way,
You need peace and quiet. A ho-do-do-dee-doo.
Just like the other day, somebody dropped a safety pin, and I leaped out of bed, my head in a spin. Thought something awful happened, like the roof caving in. Then I found out it was only that pin.
To put it another way,
You need peace and quiet.
Oh, do
A
I?
ho-do-do-dee-doo. You need peace and quiet. A ho-do-do-dee-doo.
See, my ears are delicate, fragile little things. The only sound they like is my voice when I sing. So, Freddie, have a heart and spare me those sounds. Here's a good suggestion. Go back underground. To put it another way.
You need peace and quiet.
Oh,
A
yeah!
ho-do-do-dee-doo.
I need peace and quiet. Da-da-da-da-da-da. One more time. We need peace and quiet. Oh, do-do-dee-doo.
There's only one thing wrong.
what's that?
It's that noisy frog.
Hey, that sounds like you're blaming me for your troubles, Charlie. How come?
Freddie, you couldn't keep quiet if I gave you $1 million.
Oh, yeah? Well, you just listen.
Oh, my headache. See, I told you couldn't keep quiet.
Well, the least you could do is thank me.
For making all that noise?
No, for saving you $1 million.
Doug, have you noticed that ever since Charlie started carrying on about being bothered by sounds, this place has really gotten noisy?
Oh, really? I don't hear anything.
And stay away from me with all those ear-aching rackets.
I think I spoke too soon.
Henrietta, what's going on?
Oh, it's that Charlie. I do declare a gnat's sneeze could ruffle his feathers.
Yeah, and he can't stand noise either.
Well, I'm sure you both know that sometimes when you have a headache, why, the sound of a pin dropping can sound like a steel pipe hitting the floor.
I gotta hear it to believe it.
Who dropped that steel pipe?
Oh, my gosh. Come on, let's go see if we can help Charlie out, okay?
Really?
Quiet Somebody fix that leaky tire!
I'm getting out of here.
Me too.
Oh, come on, Emmy Joe. Let's see if we can help him out.
Really? Doug, look. Sound shelter, do not disturb. He's got to be in here.
Come on, give me a hand.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
Only Charlie would think.
Only Charlie. Oh.
Doug, Emmy, what's wrong? Can't you read the quiet, do not disturb signs?
Of course, Charlie, but we came to help you.
What's that?
Oh, Charlie. Come here. Look at this. Feather-covered earplugs. Now can you hear us?
Yeah, of course. You think I'm deaf or something?
Charlie, what's with you and sounds, hmm?
Nothing, if I don't have to hear them.
Charlie, if you didn't hear sounds, well, there wouldn't be any sounds.
Oh, that's the kind I like.
But Charlie, what if you heard sounds that you would like?
That's ridiculous. No such thing.
Oh, no? What about the sounds of life?
Never heard of them.
Oh, sure you have, Charlie, but you're so against hearing any kind of sounds that you just don't hear them. What are you doing now?
Listening for those sounds of life.
Charlie, I think you're listening wrong. Now relax and listen very carefully.
Balderdash won't work. Don't hear any sounds.
Listen, you can hear the wind in the trees and the sound that it makes, rustling all the leaves. Listen, you can hear a bird as it sings. It's hard to explain the feeling it brings.
Listen, you can hear the sounds of love everywhere. Sounds you may have forgotten are still in the
Listen, you can hear the flowing of a stream as it splashes on the rocks and weaves through tall grass so green. Listen, you can hear the music of the wind playing soft, then loud, then soft. It never ends.
Listen, you can hear the sounds of life everywhere. Sounds you may have forgotten are still in the
Ah, the sweet sounds of life. Shh. Just listen to them.
I guess it was the sound of your music that mellowed good old Charlie.
Well, with a little help from Mother Nature.
Yeah, the sounds of nature are all right. But none of those are my favorite sounds.
What is your favorite sound, Charlie?
The sound of everybody listening to me when I'm telling them to be quiet.
Oh, Charlie. All right, this is charades, and it's my turn.
Okay,
Now,
okay.
The name of this story is very easy, so everybody pay
Very easy.
attention. Ready?
Ready?
Oh, I know. There's 6 words in the title.
Okay. The first word, a small word, the.
Oh, I know that word too.
Good word. Okay. Second word, okay.
You look just like a cow.
Cow, that's it, cow, great. Oh, third
Third
word.
word. The cow skipped.
No.
Shakes. Oh, I know. Jumped.
Jump, the cow jumped, great.
Fourth word.
Could be, over. Thanks, Freddie. Okay. Fifth word. Fifth word.
Let's see. The cow jumped over. The cow jumped over. I got it. I got it.
What?
The.
The cow jumped over the. Sixth word. Okay. The cow jumped over.
Let's see now. The cow jumped over the circle.
Can I believe what I'm hearing?
The cow jumped over the sun?
This sounds like a weirdo convention.
The cow jumped over the ear.
Oh, no, Freddie. In charades, when you pull your ear, it means the word sounds like the word that we want. Sounds like, spoon. Spoon. Sounds like spoon.
Tune.
A noon.
Try loon.
Oh, I know.
What?
I know. The cow jumped over the moon.
Hey!
Oh, I can't understand it. It was such an easy title.
Well, Emmy Jo, I hate to tell you this, but we knew it all the time.
You did.
Sure we did, Emmy Joe, but we like watching you make all those funny faces.
Oh, that's my favorite sound. It's the best sound in the whole wide world.
What's that, Charlie?
The sound of laughter.
The cow jumped over the...